At the conclusion of the second round of oral arguments for Australia, it appears that the Australian delegation is very confident in the outcome of this case. And rightfully so, because the Japanese delegation has put forward very little to debunk the accusations, to debunk the statements of the Australian delegation that Japan is in fact conducting commercial whaling. And it's been made very clear today that what Japan is doing is, exactly as Sea Shepherd has been saying for many years, is commercial whaling. And it is now up to the international community, by means of the International Court of Justice in The Hague, to stop the continued killing of whales in an established whale sanctuary by Japan. And I certainly hope that this will be the last time, that last season will be the last time that Sea Shepherd had to go down to the Southern Ocean to stop the Japanese whale poachers, and that the International Court here in The Hague will put an end to it by putting a verdict that will disallow Japan from continuing their Japa 2 program and effectively shutting down Japanese whaling in the Antarctic. Especially after having witnessed both the New Zealand presentation, which was on Monday, and subsequently the Australian second round of our oral arguments, it's very clear that both New Zealand and Australia are here with a very solid case against the Japanese whalers, against the Japanese parties. And it's going to be extremely difficult for the Japanese to counter these proceedings in the last week of oral arguments, which will commence next Monday. And I have very, very positive feeling that this case will lead to a victory for Australia. I have all the confidence that the court will do the only just thing, and that is to rule in favor of Australia, and that is to rule in favor of the whales and to put an end to the commercial activity that Japan has been conducting in the Southern Ocean.